guys, it's Walrus from the Midnight Walrus. Midnight can't be here, he's doing this thing, youth group thingamabob. But, I decided to make a video on a computer that I designed. I haven't built it yet, I haven't bought it yet, but I probably will. It's a $550 computer. So yeah, let's get into it. The case for this computer, I chose the Sentey gaming computer case, GS6011. It's $60 case. It comes with pre-installed top fans and back fans and optional front fans. And then my CPU is the AMD A6 5400K APU. It's $49. I don't know that much about it. Okay. My motherboard, it's the Gigabyte AMD FM2 Plus A68H, $46. It's pure black. It looks awesome. It's got 2 RAM slots, and then one slot for your graphics card. The hard drive I chose was a WD Blue 1TB desktop hard drive from Western Digital. It's like the best 1TB hard drive you can get on the market. And then the power supply is EVGA 500 watt 80 plus power supply. It's $38. This is also black. In case you haven't noticed, the theme I'm going for is like a pure black computer, and then blue for the case fans. I might switch them out with an orange. And then the RAM I chose is Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB kit. It's 4GB times 2. It's $42. It's some of the best RAM that I could find. 8GB isn't that much, but it's all you need really. And then the graphics card is the EVGA GeForce GTX 960, $244 graphics card. It'll get you through what you need. It can run up pretty fast, and it'll easily run all your games. And then the CPU cooler, I chose a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo. It's $27. It's an air cooler. And that's pretty much all that I've added into it so far. I might add some other things, but all the links will be in the description. In case you were wondering, no, I have not bought this computer, and yes, I probably will. But all the links will be in the description, and see you guys next time. Bye.